Eagles have been unbelievable in the red zone. First in the NFL. End zone, AJ Brown touches the pylon. He's in. Touchdown, Eagles.
BIRDS, AJ Brown on Kalen Carson, catches it, and then his second foot doesn't quite come down in bounds. He's got his right foot down and the left one about.
Oh yeah.
Probably thinking more about getting that ball over the end line rather than getting his second foot down.
Well, hold on a second, because like you saw the left foot coming down, but we bring in Dean Blandino. Dean, did he touch the pylon first? It looked like he did, right? So right foot.
He did touch the pylon, but he still has to establish possession with both feet. Okay. So even though he touches the pylon, he's got to get both feet and then extend the ball. And so that's an incomplete pass.
Got it. So it's incomplete. Interesting.
Never even seen that in all my years.
As for review, really got to feel as an incomplete pass. Second down.
Also, really good skills to differentiate the actual pylon from the pylon cam. Like, he could have knocked them both down.
We have way too many pylons down there. AJ did a great job.
Well, all that being said, it's incomplete. So we'll try it again on a second and goal.
I just love the rhythm that Jalen Hurts is in right now, finding the open receivers, got a lot of confidence in A.J. Brown. They talk about this relationship with quarterback-receiver. It doesn't look like there's any issue to me. When Jalen gets that single high matchup, KB, that he's shown one-on-one with the perimeter, he's got dealer choice with Devontae Smith and A.J. Brown. He's found A.J. Brown a lot today, but it's a dangerous offense when Hurts plays in rhythm.
A.J. Brown in the slot. Hard to miss him with the fluorescent shoes on. Designer on up the middle. He goes. Jalen Hurts still going. He's in. Touchdown.
You hear that? Communication at the line of scrimmage. They show empty. It spreads out the whole defense. Jurgens makes a great block, just washing Williams out of the middle of the field. Both linebackers, Murray, Leofau, have a chance, but Hurts